Hi, my name is Clara Carter, Partner Development Manager with Carahsoft Technologies, supporting our Amazon Web Services practice. Welcome to our federal podcast series with AWS and Carahsoft. I'd like to introduce you to Hazem Hauer and Dominic Pucci from M&S Consulting. Gentlemen, the floor is all yours.
Thank you, Clara. Hello, everyone. Thank you for taking the time out and joining us today. My name is Hazem Hauer. I'm the Director of Cloud Infrastructure Services here at M&S Consulting. And with me today is Dominic Pucci. He's one of our senior cloud solution architects here as well. M&S Consulting is a premier enterprise shared services and cloud systems integrator. We're also an advanced tier AWS partner, and I've worked with our partners here at Carahsoft on a number of different procurements. We focus on providing end-to-end enterprise solutions, staff augmentation, and ongoing support and maintenance, and technical and managerial consulting. Today, we want to discuss and define DevOps and how M&S has leveraged this practice when delivering applications and services at a high rate. We also want to discuss how M&S and Carahsoft has and can help existing and future clients with their utilization of key tools that AWS offers to achieve synergy between teams using DevOps. So what is DevOps? The word DevOps is a combination of the terms development and operations, meant to represent a collaborative or shared approach to the tasks performed by a company's application development and IT operation teams. In its broadest meaning, DevOps is a philosophy that promotes better communication and collaboration between these teams and others in an organization. DevOps describes the adoption of iterative software development, automation, and programmable infrastructure deployment and maintenance. The term also covers cultural changes, such as building trust and cohesion between developers and system administrators, and aligning technological projects to business requirements. DevOps can change the software delivery chain, services, job roles, IT tools, and best practices. DevOps combines cultural philosophies, practices, and tools that increases an organization's ability to deliver applications and services at a high rate. The process continues to evolve and improve products at a faster pace than organizations using traditional software development and infrastructure management processes, thus enabling organizations to better serve their customers and clients and compete more effectively in the market. While DevOps is not a specific technology, DevOps environments generally have common methodologies. These include the following: continuous integration and continuous delivery or deployment tools with an emphasis on task automation, products that support DevOps adoption, including real-time monitoring and incident management systems, configuration management, and collaborative platforms, and cloud computing, microservices, containers implemented concurrently with DevOps methodologies. How does DevOps work? Under a DevOps model, development and operation teams are no longer siloed, splitting operational, security, and development teams with little to no communication and cooperation. Generally speaking, silos limit opportunities to reuse computing, networking, and storage resources, making cost standardizations and business value delivery more difficult.